Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Okay, guys, I am Muhammad Ijazul Haq. Today we are going to learn about the cell. This video comprises about the part 1 of the cell. Here in this topic, we will learn about the different aspects of the cell. First of all, we will learn about the definition of the cell, that what it is the cell. Then in this definition, then afterwards we will move towards a characteristic of the cell. That what are the features or the characteristic of the cell. Then we will move towards the tissue. That what are the tissues. Then organs. A brief introduction about this thing. Then system. That what is the system and different examples of the system. Afterwards we will move and draw the structure of the cell. In this structure, we will know about that in which part the cell has been divided. Afterwards, we will move towards cell death, that how a cell dies, cell degeneration, cell adaptation, cell aging, and in the last of this whole topic we will know about the stem cell and its type. But right now we will cover in this part definition of the cell, that what is the cell, characteristic features of the cell, then we will study about the tissue, organ, system, structure. These only the diagram of the structure will be studied in this part 1. Afterwards we will complete whole of the topic in this topic containing cell. Okay, now what is the cell definition? Before moving towards the definition, I want to clear a concept of the cell and its role. Take a diagram of the wall. This is the wall. Now this wall is made up of the bricks. Different types of the bricks combine and make a whole wall. This is the wall. This is the wall. Now bricks are united to make this wall. So the basic unit of wall is brick. Similarly, suppose this is the living organism. No. Okay. Suppose now this living organism can be only made up of a single cell. or multiple cell or many cell. Okay, if it is a multiple cell organism, then its whole body will be divided into different parts. Each basic part, each the basic unit is known as the cell. Okay, now moving towards the proper definition of the cell. A cell is basic or smallest unit that has characteristic of life. Now, cell is also known as the structural and functional unit of living body. Living body. Okay. Now moving towards the characteristic of the cell. We have studied about that what is the cell. Cell is the basic, smallest structural and the functional unit of the living body. Now moving towards the characteristics of the cell. Cell need always need oxygen and nutrients for its survival. Cell produces its own energy. Its own energy. Now, how a cell produces its energy? We will study it detail in mitochondria. When we will be studying about the different organelles of the cell, we will study it in detail that how cell produces its own energy. Okay. Number third characteristic of the cell is it eliminates carbon dioxide and waste material. Okay. Number four, the main characteristic of the cell is that it shows response on the entry of bacteria, or you can say any toxic material, a toxic substance. And the last one is it reproduces produces by division. Okay, these are the characteristic feature of the cell that it needs oxygen and nutrients, produces its own energy, eliminates carbon dioxide and waste material. It shows response to the entry of bacteria and toxic substances, and it reproduces by division. That will be mitosis and meiosis, and we will see it in detail.